Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is going to be about creating videos, ironically, which is what I'm doing now. So if you guys watched the first module, I think I said in one of the videos that says before you start, I mentioned that while you're doing this the course, you should be recording yourself do the steps and talking about the steps, just like I'm doing. You're going to be teaching someone else how to do this. That's the name of the game here, so that you guys can make affiliate coaching money, affiliate money and coaching money as well. So while you're doing this course, you should be screen recording. I mentioned you should use Ice Cream Recorder, completely free, up until the 10 minutes. All right, so watch that clock, that you don't go over 10 minutes. But look guys, you don't have to follow what I'm doing by the T. If you know better software out there, go for it. If you've bought some professional software, go for it. I know I go on YouTube and I see some people go great screen recording software. Like, I don't know if they have a green screen behind them, but they'll have like themselves like superimposed on the screen capture. Like I don't know how to explain it, but it looks great. God, I wish I knew how to do that. One day I'll learn. But whatever, this is what I use. So if you don't know, do it. It's free and it's easy. So other part about creating videos is the videos software that I use as well for live action logo creation. So what I do is I do my screen recording, and then I jump onto Windows Movie Maker. I'm so embarrassed by my video editing skills. Like, it's the one thing that I never really tried at. So whatever, this work, I feel like this is professional enough. So just go, if you don't have Movie Maker on a Windows computer, just download Movie Maker. If you have an Apple iMac, I'm sorry, I think you got your own video making software, so I think you'll be fine. But if you don't, Movie Maker, go into that. So add in your screen recording. All right, it can just be the WM copy of it, and then once you finish that, you want to add in your logos on each side. So just going to do that very quickly. Okay, hit add videos and photos. All right, so that's my opening. And I'll get the logo so I make two logos, as you probably noticed. I do a live action logo, and then I just do the normal logo animation at the end, just to wrap things up. And I'll just chuck that there. Alright, and that's all done, guys. Hit play. That's what it looks like. I don't know if there's music going on in the background. And okay, hop into it, and then yeah, you get it. So file, save movie, for computer. Just name it how to make Facebook. Hit save. All done. So when you're finished, obviously, last step is to jump onto YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube, just make one. And you want to hit upload and upload your video. Alright, so, and then just keep that handy, keep that link handy, because we're going to be using that later to put into our membership site. And that's it, guys. That's actually what we're going to be talking about next in the next video. So what you've done is you've got your videos, you've got your preloaded funnels, your funnels is attached to your domain. All we got to do now is start tweaking it to make it your own. Okay, so we just need to start rebranding everything, change the logos, change the videos, change the affiliate links, and there you go. You've got your own membership site. We're so close to finishing. So I was going to say stick around. Who's not sticking around at this stage? Who's bailing after this? I don't know. But I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.